Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to earn gift cards, gadgets and a lot of other items just by playing games. So first of all I'll show you which games does the program support. So this is the website. You'll have to just type this website in any of your browser and then hit enter. I have also given this website in the description for your convenience. After hitting enter, you'll see a program file over here. You'll have to just click on it and run it from here. Click on run. And as you can see, the installer has opened in front of you. Just click on next. Over here you can choose if you want to create a shortcut. I don't want to create it, so I wouldn't choose it. Just check over here, put a check over here and click on next and next, and just wait until it is out. After downloading it, you'll have to click on launch, and here's your icon over here. You can even click on this and launch the app. And over here you can sign up with Google or with Discord, or you can even create your own account over here. I'll just sign up with Google. So the app has opened in front of you. As you can see, there are a lot of games over here. So as you can see, there are more than 8 games over here from which you can earn credits. And I thought there were 8, but after I opened the application there were more than 8. There are actually 11 over here. I think it's updated. And here's a proof. I have 338 balance over here, and I just play Fortnite, and I have collected this from playing Fortnite. As you can see, I'm on bronze star, and I can even purchase these gift cards. Are actually kind of expensive, but it's actually worth it because all you have to do is just play games. You'll have to complete these challenges over here, and here's a proof. I earned these coins. You can see it's day 6 for me, and I have been playing from day 6 right now. And in 6 days, like not full day, but I have played like few hours per day, and I've earned 338 coins, and I completed level 1 and level 2, and now it's level 3. And this is a proof for you that it's not fake. One thing I would like you to know is that make sure this application is turned on your system tray over here, buff and overwolf, because if it's not turned on, it would not be able to track your gaming performance, and it does not take any extra performance to run this application, and it would not decrease your FPS. Just make sure it's turned on from here in the system tray, because if it's not turned on, you wouldn't get your points. Don't forget to comment below and tell me how much points have you earned and which gift cards have you redeemed. For more similar videos you can subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.